Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm natural, but I'm currently going through a protective phase right now. So I wanted to talk to you guys about this hair that I have on my head. This hair is from it's RuiYu Hair. This is a 360 wig. It's a deep wave Brazilian 150 density, I think it is. This hair is like so freaking bomb. I can't even, like, girl. Actually, when I got this hair, I was like, this is kind of cheap. Like, is this really gonna be good? I paid $119 and it's like 20 inches, which is kind of long because I'm like 5'1". So I was like, okay, but like, is it gonna be good? It was actually pretty good. Like, considering the price that I paid for it, this hair is pretty good. When I got it, like, it came with like little baby hairs in the front, but I made my own baby hairs. And the lace is tinted, but I bleached it because like I need scalp. So, and then I dyed it like I think like 3 times because I wanted it to be like a certain color, and it held up nice. Like, I didn't have no problems. And then I curled it, the bomb. With my flexi rods, like, it came out amazing. Shipping was really fast. I ordered it Sunday night, like around 9 p.m. and like the very next day I got like my shipping stuff, whatever, and then it came to my house Wednesday morning, I think. Yeah, it came to my house Wednesday morning, and I was like, oh, okay. Like, it was actually pretty fast, and the hair is nice. What else? Shedding. All hair sheds, but I feel like, considering the price for this and the length and everything, it really, like, the shedding is minimal. And I did bleach the knots, so I'm like, I don't know. But like, the shedding for me, it wasn't much. Like, when I put my hands through it, like, it's like one strand. Like, it's not that much, so really, it doesn't bother me. I would recommend this hair because it's really affordable considering everything else. Like, and the parting is like 6 inches. Like, I was like, okay. And what else? That's pretty much it, really. Like, the hair is amazing. It curls really, really good. I put my flexi rods like I would do my natural hair. I haven't straightened it yet because I don't really like straight hair that much. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Like, shipping was really fast. It was affordable. There's like a bunch of coupon codes that they give you or whatever. And oh, here's one more thing. It dries so fast. When I do my natural hair with flexi rods, it takes me like a good 2 days. This hair dried in like, I think, 2 hours, and I was like, okay. I would definitely recommend this hair to my friends because I'm a college student, so I'm broke. But this hair was really affordable, and I've had it for about 3 weeks now, and it's still pretty good. Like, I'm still loving it. I still get compliments, everything. Like, this hair is great. Next time though, I think I would probably get, like, I know they have kinky curly. I would get kinky curly because that's more like my natural hair. But overall, this hair is amazing. Like, I would definitely recommend people to get it because I'm satisfied. Okay. I think that's about it. I covered pretty much everything. If you have any questions or anything that you want to ask me about this hair, don't hesitate. I will put my Instagram down here and my Facebook. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments or shoot me a DM. It doesn't matter. But really though, like, this hair, if you are on a budget like myself and you can't afford the ones that are like 300, this is pretty good. Like, I have no complaints. It met all of my expectations. I would give this maybe like a 8.5 out of a 10, only because I felt like I worked too hard to bleach the lace that was supposed to be tinted, but it really wasn't tinted for my skin color. So that is pretty much why. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know.